Most people get running apps wrong by assuming all route planners are the same, but the surprising truth is that Footpath Route Planner offers unique features for mapping precise running, cycling, or walking routes. Today, I'll share my honest usage experience. Footpath allows you to draw routes directly on a map with your finger or mouse. Unlike other apps that only let you follow existing trails, you can create custom paths anywhere, then see the exact distance, elevation, and estimated time. This is perfect if you train for specific distances like 5Ks, half marathons, or long runs. One of the best features is route snapping. When you draw a rough path, Footpath automatically snaps it to nearby roads, trails, or paths. Most people get this wrong by assuming manual mapping will be accurate. It's surprisingly precise and saves time. The app also provides metrics like total distance, elevation gain, and split points, which is useful for planning challenging workouts. You can export your routes to other fitness trackers or GPS watches, making it easy to integrate with platforms like Garmin, Strava, or Apple Health. The interface is intuitive. Creating, editing, and saving routes is quick, and the map updates in real time. There's a free version with basic features, but the premium subscription unlocks advanced metrics, offline maps, and more precise GPS integration. In my testing, the premium features were worth it if you plan frequent or long-distance runs. The main limitation is that Footpath doesn't track live runs directly. You need to pair it with another app for GPS tracking while running. But for route planning, it's unmatched in flexibility and accuracy. In conclusion, Footpath Route Planner is ideal for serious runners or anyone who wants to plan routes with precision. Most people get this wrong by assuming GPS apps alone are enough. Pre-planned routes can improve pacing, training, and safety. Subscribe for more honest app reviews to help you run smarter, plan better, and reach your fitness goals efficiently.